The search for genetic material. Search for genetic material. Mendel proposed laws of inheritance in the year 1863. Mendel proposed laws of inheritance in 1863. In the same period, Misher, Joseph Frederick Misher, he discovered nucleic acid in the year 1869. Though they are, Mendel proposed the inheritance theory and the discovery of the nucleic acid, and he named that as the nuclein by Joseph Frederick Misher. From that period, no one touches these nucleic acids. Or which one is the genetic material? In 1926, that is nearly 56, after 56 years, again experiments started on this genetic material. But no one discovered in that period which one is the actual genetic material, either DNA or RNA or protein, whatever. In that first experiment carried out by Griffith,